Welcome, today in front of you Blackshark 5 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So let's open first the settings, and then we should tap on the always on display section, then click here to always on display feature, and just to activate this feature tap once on this switcher. Now just click here to display items. Here we have selected the schedule time of the always on display, so from 7 to 11 we can switch it to always, or for example for 10 seconds after tapping. Also we can here turn on or turn off the feature to turn off the AOD feature when the battery saver mode is on. So let's just lock the device, and now we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.